Welcome back to my RC life. Today we're going to tackle a stripped out screw on the X-Maxx servo horn. Let's go!
What's going on, everybody? Traxxas Mike coming at you today from the shop. We're going to do a small little shop video. You can see I got the X-Maxx all torn apart here. When I went to the hospital, I didn't clean it out right away. I was playing with this like the day before I got hurt, and I didn't blow it off that particular night, which I should have. And it wouldn't, when I went to go drive it here a week or so ago, it wouldn't steer. Well, I could hear when I would turn the remote, I could hear the humming of the servo, like it would start to hum when I would turn left or right, and then when I went in the center, it would just not hum. So I thought the servo was locked up, and I was right. So I tore this apart, and when it come time to getting this guy right here torn apart, I could not get that bolt. The Allen head started stripping out on it. Now I either pay like 20 bucks by the time you get it shipped here. It's about $20 to get one of these shipped to me, or I try to fix it. Now you can see on this end, it's got a nut that this bolt screws through. So if I drill the head off of this bolt, I should be able to pound the rest of the remaining bolt, and this nut will come out with it. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I need to find out what size drill we need to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure about the width, not of the nut, but the bolt that's running through the nut. You want a drill about that size. .12 of an inch. So that's going to be about an 1/8 inch. This 5/64 here, it's a little bit over an 1/8 inch. 1/8 inch is .125, and this one is measuring .14, so it's about 15 thousandths of an inch over. It'll probably be fine. I don't have a chuck key, so I'm just using 2 pair of vice grips here. Okay, it's tight. Now let's see if I can get this in here square. The bottom of this here is flat, so you should be able to put it right on this flat part in the vise here, like so. And that should work to get this head drilled off. Let me move my vise tabletop over here. Loosen this up on the back. Here we go. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit. That looks good. See, it's starting. I want to gear down my speed a little bit. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Some type of lubricant. Put some type of lubricant in there. what's going on there. Okay, now I don't want to just blow a through hole into it, meaning a hole that goes all the way through. I don't want to do that. Oh, there we go, guys. See, there's the remainder of that Allen head right there. Yeah, as you can see, here's the rest of that Allen head that I just drilled out. There it is. There's the back side. Well, there it was. Now, I should be able to get this out of here, get it cleaned off. Now, I should be able to just take a punch or a screwdriver or something and just pound that right out the bottom. A little deeper here. Now I can tell I'm cutting into the aluminum now, so I don't want to go no deeper than that, because I don't want the head of my screw to be able to just fall right through that tab there. Now I'm kind of hoping this will start to pound out of here. Alright, so now we've come to the point where it just ticked me off. I can't get it out. I will now. There. Now, since I cut that in half, there we go. Some of it fell out there. This will be hot. The only thing that's left is the nut there. And I'm hoping that I can just tap that out now. Now you gotta get something that's gonna go through this hole and be able to hit the back part, the leftover pieces of that bolt, so it'll push that nut out the bottom. It don't look like it's coming at all. I'm almost wondering if I can go through the bottom side here. I was able to drill a lot of that nut out. Now we got a little bit of the nut left in there. I'm hoping I can get in there at the Dremel and just kind of eat it out of there. It's starting to come. See it? Yay! So the first way I thought it was going to happen didn't happen, but hey, we finally got it out. So now, rather than ordering a new one of these, I can just put a new nut in there now and run my new bolt through there, and that should be just fine. Alright guys, I'm Traxxas Mike from IRC Life, and this has been another Shop Time video. I'll see you later.